Welcome to another episode. Today we want to teach you how to do heel wrap. For this shoe, we want to do the heel wrap, we want to do the sole wrap. So first off, wetin we go do be say we go first comot the sole. As they see, we dey comot the sole gently, no spoil anything. Then we will come comot the leather for the heel. This one we no want remove the heel completely because say e go dey difficult. So wetin we dey do be say we dey comot the heel, the leather for the heel. So after we comot the leather for the heel, we go come measure am. As they say am, so we dey put am on top the leather wey we wan measure. So you go make sure say everywhere dey neat so that and dey organized so you go fit do am. So as they say am, so he place the leather on top. He place the old leather on top the new one. He come dey use biro. They measure am. As they say am, dey very careful so that he go get the measurement of everything. As they say am, he can't dey measure am. So me now watch carefully as they try to measure the leather where you go take put gum on top am so that you go put am on top the shoe. Mona they say as they try to carefully, they make sure say everything dey aligned. Because if everything no dey aligned, so you no go dey well for the shoe. So you see am, don draw am, you can't dey use scissors, they cut am out. As they say, as they use the scissors, they do am according to the measurement of how it take use biro take measure am on top the leather. So for this place, we still dey use the scissors to measure am. They do am step by step, so you now go see how careful e dey with how e take with the measurement. Because for this work, measurement dey important. If you go do mistake, mismeasure am, if na not measure am well, e no go come out well. So for here, e dey measure am. So you remember say shoe get two. They come in twos, 1 and 2. So they draw the second leg because you know go dey well if you repair one leg, if you not repair the other one. So if they use the same measurement of this new one, you take the measure the other one. As they see they try, they cut out too, just like the way you do the first one. So now so it take be. So after this one, is still they cut them. Mona they watch am very well. Una say una go do am, take careful. As I don't talk before, if you not do am well, you no go come out well. So say they carefully they cut the leather well. So they cut am. They cut am well. So after that, you can dey check am to see if the thing dey well. As they say am, you see say na in size. Although he come out small, so wetin they do is see say he don't too size am, he don't oversize am. You can't dey use scissors, they cut the small part, the excess, the remain, the small one wey plenty for the leather. So they cut am out because it don't too much. So they check am back now to see if e dey well now or not. See they check am well to dey measure am if it dey well or not. It dey well as they say am. So the next thing after I don't measure and don't see say it dey well for the shoe, you can't dey put gum for the leather. No manage gum or use gum well. No say gum don't too dey scarce for market. Use gum well. Now when you apply gum well for the leather, now you go make am stay well. As you can see, also as you see everywhere dey neat, nowhere dey jaga. So they use the gum well on the two new leather. So you put the gum well. You apply the gum well. You know say me just put small gum, say you go gum. he put the gum well for the two leather. Also he can't put gum for the body of the shoe where go come the new leather on. Now it's what they call heel wrap. He put them for there too. They use the gum well for him body. You know, say you want minimize, you want I put them well, set them aside as they see and say may it dry. Is this one at the second leg where they put the gum for, as they see them. They apply gum well. You know, they might also, you know, allow the gum reach the heel cap, that's the bottom of the shoe. They very careful as they apply them, because if you go put them for the bottom of the shoe, the gum stain go there. If I see I'm saying, you know, they use plenty gum well, so you go put them aside, you go allow them dry. So after you don't dry finish, you can carefully put the new leather for the body of the shoe. As they see they do small, you know, they rush them. Also, if you see in hand too, you go see say gum no dey in hand, because they careful as they do them, as you can see. As they see they apply the new leather very carefully. They do them small, make mistake no dey, make the body of the shoe dey smooth well. As they see so they try, they adjust them to show, to see say you did well. Say you did SS2 again, you can cut them small. You don't cut them small. As they say can they place them well. So as they say they try, they make sure say everything they well, no mistake. So they try to make sure say everything they smooth, you know, get rough work, you know, do patch. They use their hand, they press her. So that place it they outside too much. You can't use scissors, they cut small out of them so that it go take gum well for the body. Now what thing they try they do for here. They try they measure out with the eye. You can't cut them small. As you can see. So they try to make sure say it dey well. They don't do it like this, like they use their hand, they smoothing them. They use their hand, they smoothing them. Still they try the smoothing them to make sure say the thing dey well. Now the thing they try they do for here be this, they try the smoothing them to make sure say you overlap well and they neat, so that gum no go dey in body too much. Now the thing they try they do for here. So you can't use blade. If you use blade or knife, can't cut them well, cut them for this place where they cut them so that the thing could lap well. You go see now see say it lap well. As it cut that side, it lap well. So now so you take achieve like that. See as it lap, it dey well like that. So you can't use get this one as super glue. This one now to make sure say outside gum no touch them. So you use injection, injection wey dey use for human being, e come cut the glue mouth so that the injection cover go fit stay for am. You see am, e dey try to make sure say e cut am to the size where the glue go fit stay on top am. You see am, don dey well like this now. You go come dey put am for the side where gum no fit reach. You go put am for that side. This one go make your work neat well well. As gum no go dey im body, you go come dey gum am. You go see say e go gum well well with this method. Dey use knife take dey cut am so that e go dey well. As you see am, dey apply gum for that side. The thing don gum well well now, so na so e go be. E come dey use the other side of im blade take dey push am for inside that hole for the heel so that e go dey well for that place. So na so e dey do for this side, because e no fit, this two, no be say e no fit comot the heel of the shoe, but e go stress am well well and e no wan spoil the shoe. So na why I dey use this method take dey do am. This method easy well well if you take practice am well well. So after this one, you come use hammer take dey hammer am well, make the gum take gum for the body well well. So na so we take do the